right, good morning for Tuesday, December 23rd, 2 days before Christmas. So for those of you that celebrate Christmas, have a fun and safe holiday. And for everybody else there, have a great holiday season. So let's take a look at the market. The market opened up considerably higher today, in all-time new territory in the S&P 500. So take a look at the ETFs that I've pointed out to you in the last week that we should what I mentioned was I thought we would get a pretty nice rally in these ETFs. And look at DRN, the Direxion Daily Real Estate Bull Fund, up big time in all-time new territories, 2 huge up days. You got Cure, not quite moving higher. We had a nice bounce. We're right back down here at 128.11. I still think this thing could be bought. I think we're going to be moving higher. Okay, let's take a look at SSO. SSO in all-time new territory today. Look at this, the high of being 131.78, taking out the highs. Remember, the SSO is the ProShares Ultra S&P 500, so we're in all-time new territories, and this is one that I've been talking about for about a week and a half, that this area was a phenomenal place to be buying this market. We were buying it at 121 and change. Look at 131, so a nice bounce, a retest of the all-time highs. Let's see if we can sustain this gap. Let's take a look at a 3-minute chart of the S&P 500 actually, okay? And so, again, we gapped up into all-time new territory, opened up at 2,082. We are coming down a little bit, trying to fill that gap a little bit. So what I want to do is I want to draw the fib retracements from yesterday's low rather, to today's high, and then I want to measure from where it closed yesterday to today's high, intraday high that was put in place in the first 3-minute bar, and take a look at 2 levels that I believe are rather significant for today. Retracement confluence we've got at the 50 and the 38. From yesterday's low to today's high, the 38 is right in here, and the 50% from pretty much where it closed to today's high is right there. So we've got retracement confluence right in here, and we've also got another set of confluence at the 61 and 50, which is right in here. So 2 places to look out for if you happen to day trade would be right in here and right in here. So we're looking at an area of 2,077.25 roughly, and the next level would be 2,075.75. Those would be the 2 areas where I would expect a bounce back up. What I would be looking for is if the market is not able to support at these 2 levels, 277.25 and 275.25, and we start breaking down through 2,075, then I think we could move even lower. But I highly suspect that we should be able to maintain these levels. And if the market's able to come back and take out the high today of 2,082.75, and we're able to sustain above that level for about 10 minutes, then I think that we continue moving higher, and you should consider adding to any positions that you have to the long side, moving that trailing stop up to below the intraday low. So that's what I would be looking for. Again, if the market is able to take out today's high, and we're able to remain above that level for 10 to 15 minutes, then you could add to that any of your existing positions. If you've got any of these positions that I've been talking about the last week, you could add to those positions while at the same time bringing up that trailing stop up to below the intraday low. Okay, so let's see. Look at the IWM, the Russell 2000, the ETF IWM, the Russell 2000 ETF. Look at that. Gapped up again. So again, you got to ask yourself, is this an exhaustion gap? If the market is unable to fill that gap, right, from yesterday's high to today's low. If you're not able to fill that gap and we close in the top quarter, then I say we continue moving higher for the rest of the year. Okay? So let's watch it. Let's make a little bit of money here and have a profitable day. I don't think I am leaving for the rest of the week, so there will be no more blog videos from me. And Doc is out of town this week as well. So we will replay some of our most popular videos here in the last week on the 6 o'clock actionable videos, okay? Again, have a safe and fun holiday season, and I'll be back with you on next Monday. Bye for now.